I'm gonna eat the Carolina Reaper, and then I'm gonna recite 100 digits of pi. That's what I'm gonna do.
Can I eat the whole thing?
Yeah.
I'm a maniac on the floor. I'm gonna do it. Ready?
Yep.
Three point one four one five nine two six five three five eight nine seven. 3.14159265358 79323846264 3383 27950 2884 1971 693993 7510 5820 974944 5923 0781 640-62862 08998 628-0348 2534211706779. Neil deGrasse Tyson, there's a new genius in town.